The uncomfortable truth with that is that, do you remember what you wrote 6 months ago? I bet you don't. Like, unless you've done it recently, unless you've changed that file recently, you don't know what you wrote 6 months ago. Like, if you worked on a super important module, super important code, and it just works, right? Like, you wrote the tests, you did a really good job, you worked and created this, whatever, say a masterpiece. It just works, right? And I like this analogy, or the saying is that the ultimate documentation is the code. The ultimate tribal knowledge is the code that is left over. Like, yes, you lose institutional knowledge, and like if companies are doing layoffs and they're like, whatever, cost cutting and all that, yeah, you lose some tribal knowledge or whatever, but that's clearly they don't value it, right? But basically, Elon did a ship of Theseus where he bought a company and then gutted it. All the code and all the systems, all the infrastructure is all still there, turned over the people, and now it's the same product, right? So getting back to AI generated code, when people say, oh, we're going to forget all about what the code means, I'm like, yeah, we do that already. Like, we do that with layoffs. Like, sorry, like your institutional knowledge doesn't mean much. Like, doesn't mean much to the business, right? The CEOs, the decision makers. Your institutional knowledge ends when you write that code. Like, that is the product that you are building. That is the service you are providing as a employee. That is the artifact you are leaving.